Welcome to 15 Black Swan, a beautiful home located on a cul-de-sac lot in the heart of Magnolia, Texas. This full brick property offers 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths, all set on a 2,652 square foot lot. As you step inside, you will be greeted by a spacious, open floor plan designed for comfort and ease. The kitchen is equipped with brand new appliances and plenty of cabinet space, perfect for your culinary needs. The cozy living room features a ceiling fan and beautiful floors, creating a warm and inviting space. The primary bedroom offers a large walk-in closet, providing ample room for all your belongings, while the second bedroom is generously sized with its own spacious closet. Step outside to find a fully fenced backyard, ideal for outdoor activities and relaxation. This home is full of lovely features that will make you feel right at home. Located in the highly desirable Magnolia Independent School District and with easy access to I-45, Houston and the Woodlands are just a short